Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the JavaScript series. Last video we saw about primitive data type. In this video, we are going to see non-primitive data type. What is non-primitive data type? Data type is these are mutable data types, whereas primitive is an immutable data type. Okay, where this one can be accessed by a reference, we can store it a reference and we can access it by with the help of a reference. So non-primitive data types consist of objects, arrays, functions, and also data. Okay, so we'll see all these four in this video. Okay, we'll go one by one. Okay, let's go to the first non-primitive data type, that is object. Objects are nothing but a collection of property, which each property has a key and a value pair. Okay, so now let's write to the first one. Let me give let and store it as person. Okay, person, I'll just give an right curly bracket. Now I'll give some fun name equal to, instead of equal to, you should give a colon here. Colon. Okay, JS Testing Academy in double quotes. Okay, now let me give now location. Location, same colon, Chennai. Okay, now let me close with a curly bracket, and also I'll give an year. Okay, let me give year 2024. Okay, now let me close with a curly bracket and semicolon. Let me print it with a console dot log. Let me print it. So it printed that, right? Objects. Okay, the property and key and value pair. Okay, if you want to know the data type also, I can write no, right, for the same thing which we did in the last video. Console.log type of and the reference name. If I give, it's going to print it the what type of data type is it, that is right, returned as an object. So it stores as an object here. Okay, so now so hope you got it, right? Now let's go to the next non-primitive data type, that is arrays. Arrays are an ordered collection of values, that is an element with any data type. Okay, for example, let me give let numbers equal to some 45 45 comma some numbers, right, random numbers, right, I'll give. Okay, let me print it. So it is stored as an array, a collection of values. Okay, console.log num. Okay, if I print it, it's going to print the as a collection of values here. Okay, now let me go to the next data type, function. Okay, so we can create a function and call with the help of the JavaScript. Okay, for that let me again give the keyword here as function. So for defining as a function, we should give as function and the function name. For example, right, we'll give JS testing, or we'll give some right, um, learning. Okay, then we'll give console.log learning JavaScript in double quotes. JavaScript. Okay, so I created a function and printing it as right learning JavaScript. Okay, now let's give console dot log learning. Okay, let me print it. So it's better, right? It returned as a function learning here. Okay. Now, so we did right what we did. We did object, we did array, and we did it function. Okay. Now let's do the right last one, that is date function. Date, right? Data type. Okay. For that, I should give initialize as let keyword today, today's date. Let me print the today's date, new date. I'll use date method, and I will console.log today. Okay, let me run it. Okay, it returned the date format. Okay, it printed in year, month, and date format. Okay, with the timestamp also. Okay, so it printed the today's date. Okay, so we saw three four things here. One is object, next one is array, next one is function, and next one is date. Okay, all these things are considered as a non-primitive data type. As I told you, these are mutable one, which is right stored as a reference and called by a reference here. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Hope this small topic is useful to you. Continue to follow the series. Have a nice day. Bye. Meet you on the next part of video.